Hi, good morning. Um, this is to explain how to prepare the presentation, the project presentation, and the poster you have to do for our new activity. Of course, okay, the result is going to be a poster like the one you can see here, okay? But the first thing you have to do is to prepare all the information and all the content that the poster has to include, okay? And what you have to put here, what you have to explain here is all the stages, all the steps you have followed for the technological process you have done. If you go to our to your Teams document, okay, there you can read all the information that the activity explains. Okay, so here it explains what is the first thing you have to do. It is to prepare the content. Okay, so you have to write down a short and clear description of all the stages of the technological process. Here you have a link to the blog, okay, where you can find some information about that. To do this, you have to include at least all these parts, all these documents, all this information, which is the design brief, which is a simple sentence that describes the whole project. Of course, the design conditions, the initial ideas, drawing of possible solutions, the chosen design, so the final design you have decided to make, materials and tools you have need, and finally construction work description with the main problems and construction details, and finally an evaluation and conclusion. So if you come here, I have prepared I have prepared here a document with all this information. Okay, this is something you have to do. Okay, this is something you have to do. You have to prepare the documents for the technological process first. Okay, this is the description of all of them. And for example, for the design brief, I have prepared this sentence: designing and making a marble run machine. This is your project. Okay. For the design conditions, you know that is the list of conditions that the project has to meet. So here I have put the goal or objective. This is to rise the marbles up or to let them go down following a circuit so as the marble never stop. Okay, the size, the materials, and more things. Okay, time, special specifications, and everything you have. For initial ideas, what is initial ideas or first ideas and designs? Drawings of possible solutions you have to start with. Okay, add here some information about the initial ideas, where they come from, the websites what you have used to find the information, the videos you have used, and of course your own drawings. Closing design. For this is just it is a drawing. Okay, it's just a drawing for your last design. Materials and materials and tools. A list of materials. Look, I have included thick cardboard to make what? Thin cardboard to make what? Glue bars to glue together the pieces. Kebab sticks if you use it. Ice cream sticks if you use, I don't know, pieces of wire. Anything you have used. Tools: ruler, compass, metal ruler and square and cutter knife to cut the pieces, scissors, glue gun, pliers, all the tools you have used. 6. Construction details. Here you have to do a description of all the problems of the construction or all the details of the construction work. Here, the most difficult part of the construction was and why, the easiest part to make was and why. Finally, there are some things I had to change Yes, sometimes you have to change initial designs and make it in a different way from your drawings. Explain here why and include the details of that or the pictures or the drawings or the new drawings you have done. Final evaluation. The final evaluation and conclusion. The best part of my model. What is your the best part of your module? Okay, I'm very proud of it because, and you explain the weakest part or the things I would change in case I had more time. A brainy personal opinion of the whole project. Okay, to express your impressions about the whole project. Once you have all this information ready, you need to prepare also all this information too that are sorry, all this information. What are they? They are the drawings you have done, the pictures of your machine, some more drawings, some tools that you may want to include in the poster, like the glue gun, the cat and knife, the square, or else the logo of the school, the logo. I have put here also the logo of my website, okay, and some other things. And now, when you have everything ready, then you can start doing. Okay, if you go back again to the to our to the team's explanation. Okay, here you have the second part that is to include and organize all this information in the poster on the poster. So I have included some examples. Okay, so here you have some examples of different posters. Okay, and here you have a link, okay, to download some templates to do the posters with PowerPoint. This is what I'm going to explain in the next video. So now I'm going to stop. See you next video.